properly. Made a little VQ noise early. As soon as I could pull out. There we go. Still sounds good. Every single. What's up, gang? I'm back here with another video, and this is for you Nissan Infiniti owners who, you know, got their hood struts. Every time I go under your hood, it just pops me back on the head. So I got a trick that I usually use to keep it up. It's simpler than using like a pry bar or long stick to hold it up. And using that, you can replace both hood struts by yourself pretty easily. So I figure I'll show y'all. So let's get to it. So in order to do this, all you need is a screwdriver, flathead preferably, a pair of locking pliers, and the new hood struts. So pretty straightforward. Not too many crazy tools. You can usually find these around the house. So that's all you need, right? So you start off, pop the hood, and that's only for the Nissans Infiniti guys. Pop the hood just like that. Then you go to the front of the car, open up the hood, just like that, and then you get to this point where it's just. So once you got the hood in this position, just go ahead and hold your head under the hood, because I got the camera in my hand. Put the pliers right here. There you go. Now you got it perfectly holding the hood. You roll like that for a long time, which I've been doing. Or actually put some money into the car, buy some new ones. And now that you know my trick, you got the hood stood up, that little plier can hold up the hood with no hood strut attached on this side. So you just go here and you see this clip here on the side, you just pop that clip out, pop this one off here, pull that off, and then this one here, right there. Just like that. Getting somewhere. So I've been putting these off for like a year now. They only cost me about $20 for a good set, so better to fix this rather than keep this going. So this side goes down, that side's up. So all you do is just push this on like that, and then you push this up enough so you can get this side on. Damn, that shit's so apparently it's best to put the bottom one on first. Now you guys know. Now, just for extra assurance, you want to pinch this side. Not too hard to the point where you make a mark or anything, just a light hold. You know? Just about that much. And then you can do the other side the same way. Just like that. Just go ahead and peel this. It's a little indent where you could pry from. That right off. That off. This one. Right there. Right. Yeah. So remember, bottom first. Then top easier. Just gotta press on there. That's it. Good struts installed. Easier than you think, cheaper than you think also. Fine set for 20 bucks. Quick fix. So when your mechanic goes under your hood and he's slamming on his head, you know. So there you have it. So this is the finished result. Up and down. Go up and down. Now you can show off to your friends at the car shows, you know, your painted engine cover, your dirty intakes. Pull up with your hood up, you know. Something that a lot of you guys need to do, because every time you comes into my shop, ask for work, I can't keep the hood up or it drops on my head because I think it works. But yeah, this is a little quick video. Help y'all out a little bit. Shit out of it. Thanks for watching.